In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Adobe Express. If you want to quickly adjust the angle of a photo in your design, Adobe Express makes the process very simple. Rotating an image can help you straighten a picture, create a more dynamic layout, or just make the overall design look more polished. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a clear and easy way. To begin, open your design in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the project or canvas where the image you want to edit is already placed. Once your design is open, take a moment to locate the photo you want to rotate so you can focus on that specific element. Next, click directly on the photo to select it. When the image is selected, you should see a border box appear around it. This border confirms that Adobe Express is ready for you to edit that image specifically, rather than another object on the page. If you don't see the border box right away, just click once more on the image until it appears. After the photo is selected, look for the small curved arrow, also called the rotation handle, which appears below the image. This is the tool Adobe Express uses to let you rotate the photo manually. It's a small control, so if you don't notice it immediately, look carefully just beneath the selected image area. Once you've found the rotation handle, click and hold it. Then drag your mouse to spin the image. As you move it, the photo will rotate in real time, which makes it easy to see the exact angle you want. You'll also notice an angle indicator appear near the rotate handle while you're rotating. This is especially helpful if you want more precision and need to adjust the image by a specific amount rather than just estimating by eye. Keep dragging until the image reaches your preferred angle, then release your mouse to set it in place. If needed, you can always click and drag the rotation handle again to fine-tune the result until it looks right within your design. And that's it. That's how to rotate an image in Adobe Express. It's a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how balanced and professional your design appears. Once you get used to using the rotation handle, adjusting image angles becomes fast and intuitive.